Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to create a snapshot volume in LVM. So I've created a VG that is snap VG here, and then I've created a volume under it. This is snap wall. Then what I have formatted it, and it is mounted under this file system that is snapfs, and it has some data in it as well. You can see it here. It has some data here. So and now it is time to do the do the snapshot creation on this. Before this, I would like to show you something like the LV display, and then the LV we have created. The LV we have created. Let's see. Let me just uh, this is our LV mapper snap PG. So I'll just show you this. See it here. This is the LV. You can see the VG name and the snap the LV name, and then we'll create a snapshot volume of this VG and mount there, and see if the data whatever we have there in the snap wall, we should have that in the snapshot volume create now. So let's do that. Okay, now create the snapshot volume. LV create -s will create a snapshot volume as we have created we have created the original volume with 400 extents. So we'll create the snapshot volume of exact size, and then -s will create a snapshot volume, and the source volume would be this one, the snap volume, and I've given the new volume name is snap vol 2. Let's do that, create that. Okay, now you can see we have the snap vol 2 has been created, and we'll see that what is our snap vol 2 status. You see here. Okay, let me show you here. You can see and this is a snap vol 2 under snap VG, and it has been created on this server on this the timestamp here, and you can see the LV snapshot status here, active destination for snap vol. So this is the this is LV snapshot status. So this is our volume name, original source volume name. So it is been the snapshot has been taken from that volume. So now the point is we'll see how to like if it has the same data or not. Okay, now so to do that we'll mount it. Let's mount this one. Mount -t ext4, and then what is our dev mapper, then should be our VG name. What is that? Nav V, nav vol 2. Let's mount it on /70. So it's mounted. You can see the status now. You can see that it has the same size as of the snapfs. The MT has the same size, and we can see the data inside the MNT mount point. Go here, you'll see the same data here. It's basically the content of it directory. So you can see it has the same data of as of snapfs mount point. So I hope this is clear to you. In next video I'll show you how to restore the data from a snap vol like snapshot volume, so that in case if there is any issue with the original volume, then we can restore the data from the snapshot volume to the original volume. So we can see that in the next video. please stay tuned and do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.